Hey, today we're going to be talking about the 5 main reasons why you should be on YouTube to help get your small business audience growing and start making a profit. Reason number 1 is to reduce burnout. I know how you feel. You're on Instagram, you're trying to have a piece of content every day. They say batch 30 days of content. It's so easy, do it in one sitting. But you want to be thoughtful and strategic about what you post. You don't want to just throw post to post. And then perfectionism sets in and you just never post. And you're like, this isn't working. So back in 2020, I switched to posting content on YouTube for my coaching and leadership career business. And I also talked a lot about planning and using things like OneNote. I created a video where I just showed a tutorial about how to use my OneNote planner. And 4 years later, I make passive income every month from that video. In fact, this morning, as I was on this walk with my baby, I got a sale. Now, this isn't a huge sale. It's $14.99 currently, but I've sold hundreds of those over the last few years, which is just a little extra money, right? We could all use a little extra money and to start gaining confidence and profit and sales in our business. So, posting a strategic video that lasts a long time, that is something that is searchable by Google, that you can put a link to your product or your service in the description of that video, that you're going to have to do nothing but let that video sit for 4 years to make some money every single month, I'd take it. So I alluded to this in the previous step. Content on YouTube is actually long lasting. When you're on Instagram, your content lasts hours, days maybe. On YouTube, it can last years, and it's searchable. So if you've ever gone into Google to type, like, let's say 2024 planners or something like that, you're not going to get Instagram posts from planner babes on Instagram. You're going to get YouTube videos, blog posts, companies selling planners. In fact, if you type in Leader Standard Work template into Google, you'll see my videos on Leader Standard Work are on the first page of Google. That means YouTube content is searchable. Instagram content is not. So YouTube is the second most searched site, and it's owned by Google. Google is the top search site. And so you want to be investing in making content that is going to be around and is not going to die right away. Personally, I'm all about efficiency. Why would I post something online that's going to die right away, that's not going to help me gain traction, and it might get me short-term trust of a customer, but long-term it's not going to do anything for my business. My third top reason for getting things on YouTube is that you can be really strategic and planful with your content and make less content that's higher quality. Does higher quality mean more effort? Well, not necessarily. You can see I'm filming this on my walk. I'm not in a professional studio. I have a cool DJI Pocket that it was a little bit of an investment, but I upgraded since I've used my phone for many years, and I'm excited to try this new piece of equipment to share with you. But overall, it's pretty low effort. I'm just walking. I knew what I wanted to talk about, and I'm just doing it on my walk, something I was going to do anyway. See, the reason you can make less content is, like we said in the previous tip, it lasts longer. The second reason is you can be super strategic with the content you make. So what I advise people to do, and what I've been doing myself, is to make playlists of related videos. You can make playlists with, okay, I'm going to teach on this topic, and then I'm going to ask my viewers to watch the next video to keep them watching on the platform so they learn the next valuable thing, and then the next valuable thing, until the last video, or within many of those videos, where I'm like, hey, if you want more help, here's how I can help you, in the link in the description. Whether that's a free product to sign up on my email list, or maybe a paid service. You see what I'm getting at? The fourth reason why I think you should get on YouTube is because YouTube actually rewards creators for making content. They have a YouTube partner program where if you get to so many views and watch hours, you can actually monetize your channel with AdSense, and you'll also be eligible for things like memberships, super stickers, super thanks, where people can actually donate to you to support your channel, to say like, hey, we love watching your channel. You can also monetize by, like I said, selling your own product or service, or putting affiliate links in the description, or maybe setting up a partnership where, for example, I have an affiliate link for Flowdesk. It's what I use for my email subscription service. And so in the link in the description below, you can get your first year of Flowdesk for a reduced price. And if you sign up, I get a month free. So each social media platform has its own culture, I would say, right? And on YouTube, the culture is to check the comments to see what other people are saying, right? And also to click on links in the description and the first pinned comment. That's absolutely normal to get off the program to check out the link. Unlike on Instagram, where you're not even able to click on the links, it makes it really hard to get off the platform. And when you click off, you're in like the Instagram, Facebook browser, which is no fun. All right, the fifth reason to get on YouTube is because it has so many dynamic analytics, and you can actually use those analytics to tweak your video to make them be seen more. So the cool thing is, if you don't like your video thumbnail or the title isn't working very well for search engine optimization, you can go ahead and change it and see how that helps your video views. This is something that I feel like is really unique to social media platforms, where others, once you post it, like there's nothing you can do about it. One thing I'll say related to analytics too is that YouTube puts videos in front of viewers based on what they think they would enjoy and doesn't push videos at people, right? It's based on interest, what is doing well, what's been viewed before, and they're promoting smaller creators. So they're testing things out by saying, hey, I know this video only has like 5 views, what do you think? And they're putting it on the homepage for people who are watching. And so YouTube is essentially rewarding creators for making good quality content, instead of saying, well, this content wasn't seen right away, we're just not going to promote it. This is so different than other platforms like Instagram. All right, so those are my top 5 reasons for hopping on YouTube instead of being burnt out on Instagram, trying to post all the time with no feedback or return. So if you're interested in learning more about how to grow your email list, how to start making money, how to film YouTube videos, how to start, organizing the videos into playlists, then definitely subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna go in depth in all of these things. And if you want to join my email list, the link is in the description below so that you'll know exactly when those videos come out, because I'll send you a note. All right, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Check out this one while you're waiting for me to post the next one.